So today we're going to put the front and the back part of the greenhouse together. That's because we put it, like, we used that thing right there as a marker for the bottom. Well, you eyeballed it, but still.
Eyeballed it, pretty much on mine. Yeah, we'll cut this out. Cut that out.
That's going to be the good one. So that is finally done. That was probably, without a doubt, the hardest part because those metal poles were so hard that he had to really push on that electric screwdriver to get it to work. So anyway, so it's done. Up next is putting the front and the back of the roof on. And then once that is complete, we are mostly done except for a door. If you're wondering why we put the boards here when we did the door, it's actually because he measured the space incorrectly. The door didn't quite fit. There was actually just a big gap as wide as this, probably about an inch. So he put these boards here to close that gap out and to have a place to put this door jamb onto. Unfortunately, sometimes when you're constructing stuff, you just make a mistake. It worked out pretty good in this case because we put the 1x6 here to make sure that it fit. And now it fits pretty good. You can open and close it. Project, we ended up choosing a storm door because they're sturdy, they seal pretty good, and we used it on a different project, which is our $400 chicken coop, and it's worked really well for that project, so we just decided to go off and get the exact same door for this project. So we've gotten finished with the front and the back. You might notice that we haven't put the top on a little bit right there. And that's because we're going to do that when we put the roof on. We wanted to encase that part in the clear material. So he just wanted to finish the bottom part before we started attacking the roof. He also wanted to build raised beds before we added the roof in. I don't really know why, but that's just how he wanted to do it. I'm just going with it. If you want to see how we put the roof on the underground greenhouse, go ahead and click the video. It should be somewhere over here on the right side of your screen, and we'll see you over there.